Welcome back to A Taste of K. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make Chokola, which is a Haitian hot chocolate using unrefined cocoa. Stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using today is 8 cups of water, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 6 star anise, 1 block of unrefined cocoa, 2 cans of evaporated milk, half to 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 capful of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, as well as Haitian bread for dipping. I purchased this block of unrefined cocoa from my local Haitian market. Sometimes they also have it in the ball form. If you're going to purchase the one that's shaped like a ball, you can go ahead and use 2 packs. To a pot, I'm going to add 8 cups of water, the cinnamon sticks as well as the star anise and the unrefined cocoa block. I allow this to boil until it reduces to half. The liquid in the pot should now be about 4 cups of liquid once it's all done. While this is boiling, the unrefined cocoa block will also start to dissolve. After the liquid has reduced to half, this is how it looks. The cocoa is fully dissolved and the liquid is now nice and thick. I strained the chocolate so that once it's done cooking, it can have a nice silky, smooth consistency. While straining, I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick as well as star anise. I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to set it aside, and I'll be putting this back in the pot, so I'll go ahead and rinse it under cool water. I add the chocolate back to the pot, which I did clean out, and I'm also going to add the cinnamon sticks as well as the star anise. I add 2 cans of evaporated milk, I also add some salt. The last few ingredients I'm going to add are the almond extract, sugar, ground nutmeg, as well as unsalted butter. After adding the final ingredients, I'm going to give it a stir. I'm going to lower the temperature to about medium low and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. When your Haitian hot chocolate, known as Chokola, is done cooking, this is how you want it to look. Very rich, smooth, and silky. I want to say thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Go ahead and stay to the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one.